Your name, every doubt digs in your mind. You stop stalking every thought as if fear is something you can chase. But the thing you're running from is wearing your own face. You circle yourself in the dark, teeth in your head, jaws in your heart. You swear that you're holding a leash, but you feel it stuck. Of the beast calling inside, claws in your chest won't let you hide. You're the hunter and the hunt said tonight. You can't outrun what's under your eyes. That's the nature of the beast burning bright. Taking a peek, taking a peek, taking a peek, taking a peek in your mind. Safety in the lines, but the footprints in your head march in time with your lies. To become what you deny, every never slowly bends. You keep aiming at the dark till you're looking at your hands. Yourself in the dark, teeth in your head, jaws in your heart. You swear that